Hello everyone, it's Duni here. Today I'm sharing a simple mixed media page with stamps, stencils and crayons. I'm working in a square journal and I have taped off the edges. This is not necessary, I just like to have a clean edge for this project. Let's start by adding some background stenciling. I'm going to use the negative image of this stencil by applying distress ink in black directly on the stencil and then lightly spraying with water. I flip it over and press it onto the page using a kitchen towel to soak up the excess ink. Then I use a small round brush to soften the edges. Now I bring in some bright color with acrylic paint in opera pink. I thin it down with water as I prefer a light wash. I spread the paint around in a somewhat loose manner with a round brush. While the paint is still wet, I go in with a water-soluble crayon. I apply 2 shades of orange. I just make some scribbles here and there and spread the color with a round brush dipped in water. Next, I add a little bit of acrylic paint and tighten buff with my fingers to blend the colors together. Now I add some visual interest with a few of my favorite stamps. I'm using a number stamp, a border stamp with a faux zigzag stitch, as well as a text stamp. It's always fun to make splatters. Here I'm using ultramarine blue thinned down with water. Finally, I choose a focal image. These flowers and leaves are from my pre-made collage fodder. They are very simple to make. I will link the video in the description box. I arrange a few flowers and leaves to my liking and adhere them with a glue stick, along with a sentiment. And that's my colorful page done. I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. A thumbs up would be very much appreciated. See you next time. Bye!